Okay, welcome to the short series of tutorials for Photoshop. It's going to be pretty straightforward, trimmed down just enough to get you through your skills test. And for this first video, we're just going to go over a very simple orientation. I know we did this in class, but I really just want to go over the workspace for you. So up at the top, like the other Adobe applications we've studied, you have your main menus up here. So that's probably going to be one of the first places you go to get things done. Your window menu is going to be able to open all of these different panels over here on the side. As far as those are concerned, for this series of tutorials, I've just got this stripped down to the very basics. I've got my histogram window open. I've got my layers window open, properties and adjustments open. Um, Over here we have our sort of contextual menu items that change based on either the tool we have selected or what layer or portion of an image we have selected. We have our toolbar down here on the left hand side. Let's see, what else do we have? We have the actual image area itself. And then all of these different elements come together to create the workspace. And that can be adjusted in window workspace. So I've created this workspace just again for these tutorials, and I've saved it as Mike Simple 1. And it's pretty straightforward. If you ever get confused or lost, you can always go back to workspace, essentials, and that should get you to something that's pretty close to this. So again, for my purposes, for this series of tutorials, we're going to use the Mike Simple 1 workspace. So that's pretty much it. Sit tight. We've got, I think, about 10 of these to get through, and you should be on your way. So talk to you soon.